Yo.
About time, Rhett.
Good Lord.
I didn't even tag you as many times as I could have, so don't even give me that.
Oh, I know you couldn't.
Yeah. All right then.
All right, what are we looking at tonight?
Well, we can continue looking at AUD, or we can switch it up and try something else.
Well, AUD is pretty boring right now.
This is true. It's kind of going sideways.
Yeah.
So I'm
Let's see.
all for something else.
Oh, wow.
What?
USDCAD going up.
Well, I mean, it's obvious. Just look at it.
That's messed up.
That is just gorgeous, isn't it? I don't know. It seems like it's hitting a resistance. Right?
Yeah.
In there. That little range. I'd have to, let me pull that back down. And 15 minutes. Let's turn off vision so I can chart it. Oh, yep, right there. Beep. Right there, right there. Right there, right there. Well, no wonder. This is when that inflation news came out, right?
Yeah.
Makes me wonder if it'll go that high again.
I really hope not.
Yeah. That would be pretty bad for AUD.
Yeah. Man, these people on Facebook are wild.
I know, right? What's up, Jayla? Oh, I know. Facebook has been off the hook today. I know my alert, the alert system kept going off like all day. 500 alerts here, 500 alerts there.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Like, jeez. Let me zoom back in here.
I just invited Logan.
Heck yeah, he needs to get on in here. Like,
Yeah.
sheesh. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. He's missing out on all the fun. And he said he was going to be in here. Same with Melody.
Oh, he did?
Well, he said he was going to try. Which, that's Logan talk for I'll be there.
Yeah.
Gonna have me a Dr. Pepper.
This is good.
Right?
I'm drinking a Monster.
Oh, you're always drinking a Monster. Like, literally, when are you not?
This is true.
I'm pretty sure you were born holding a Monster.
They should have named me Kyle.
Oh my gosh. Kyle! What were you thinking? I could have yelled Kyle today while you were in that trade. Been like, what the hell were you thinking, Kyle?
Oh, man. That trade. Oh. I'm so glad I got out of it.
Oh, you and me both. You were giving me anxiety.
Like, when the notification on top of my phone said your 9 contracts of AMC just got filled, I flipped out.
Oh, yeah. I would have been like, oh my God, thank you, Jesus.
Oh, man.
Yeah, like, I would have been having a panic attack, chain smoking, the whole 9 yards.
It was the greatest feeling ever.
Right? That $20 was hard earned.
Yeah, especially after being down $2,000.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Red Mamba. We're going for more diamond hands tomorrow. No. Oh, nice job, Jayla. 3 trades? Heck yes. That's really good, actually. Oh, man. That AUD last night, or technically this morning, was just nuts.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm kind of liking CAD tonight.
Yeah, I wish I could trade.
I know. You're still, yeah, because you're still stuck at AUD, aren't you?
Yeah, it's going up though. I'm only down 159.
That's not bad.
No.
Not when when it was so bad earlier.
Yeah.
That
180,
was,
190.
oh my gosh, that was just, ugh. And like people want to say that, news doesn't matter, but it really does.
Yeah, and if I played it smart, I would have just got out of it completely with the news and not even tried trading. But
Honestly, it happens every time like that, and we think that we know better, but
yeah, I thought the news was going to go in my favor.
Well,
But
actually, so I was looking at it, and this one right here, the Forex dollar jumps as strong run of data turns all eyes to payrolls. So
yeah,
the news that we were looking at last night didn't even affect what was happening. It was the fact that the dollar apparently grew stronger as of overnight.
yeah.
And I'm just like, really? Like you don't say. It just had to do that.
Yeah.
And I can't remember where, but I was reading, I think it was on it was either on FX Street or Daily FX that they plan on, what was it? Oh yeah. So this one was last night, so we should have, like, in the back of my mind, I should have known that there was a possibility, but I didn't even think about it. It said by Daily FX, the US dollar and Japanese yen may soar thanks to haven demand if traders run for the exits amid a collapse in meme stocks.
Hmm.
Yeah.
The hell?
And I'm just like, And that was at I think that was at 11:30 last night, and I didn't read it until I think right before I went to bed at 1 a.m.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So I should have known, but I mean, sometimes the light bulb just doesn't click. Every now and then, anyway.
I hear you. I hear you.
We all try. Nightcrawler should come on in here.
Does he talk?
Yeah. Usually he's working though. So,
Oh.
he works a lot. So he may not be able to join. I wish we could get Haas in here.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Right? Where the heck is Logan?
Being a little bit.
I was about to say, language! Don't make me send the dolphin noise on you.
Dolphin noise.
Yeah. I can do a little dolphin noise overlay.
What the hell? Oh, this is being recorded, ain't it?
No.
Whoops.
Do you know how much I had to cut out last night? Jeez. Oh my gosh. I was just sitting here like, okay then. Snip, snip, snip. Do, 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 do.
That's funny.
Haas said you just asked for money from one of your sides. That's funny. I don't know. I want to trade right now, but at the same time, like, they really aren't moving. I mean, these are the 15-minute candles, but still. Oh, look. That. I mean, it's just it's kind of stationary at the moment. Beep, 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 beep.
Whoa.
Let's see what GBP's doing. GBP USD. Oh, well. Apparently that one dropped too. Well, I mean, it makes sense considering it was against the dollar. What's another one you like, Rhett?
Oh, GBP.
Mm-hmm.
I like that one. And Euro USD.
Oh, yeah, that one's down right now too.
Yeah. Oh,
It's
check out the Japanese yen.
Oh, yeah. Let's do.
Yeah, that's doing.
Oh, hold on. I think it's the USD to. Yeah, there we go. Whoa.
What the hell? Do you see the Forex chat?
Let me check. Oh my gosh, they're having a riot in there. That's great.
My God. Thanks to hats. Ooh, that's rich.
Shoot, you're working on it. $20 at a time, Rhett. $20 at a time.
Yeah. I made $20 a day. How am I rich?
You know what? That's better than me. I mean, I didn't take any trades today. Because nothing, I mean, I thought about getting in Wells Fargo. But
Well, yeah, by the time you got on the live, Wells Fargo already done shot up.
yeah, that's why I was like, no.
Yeah.
I mean, I could have got in for the short. Because it
Oh
went
yeah.
from like, what was it, 96 down to like 31 or something.
Yeah.
So, I definitely could have got in for the short, but at the same time, I don't like shorting Wells Fargo.
Same.
I don't care how
Same thing.
much technical analysis there is. I don't like shorting it. Look at that. That is wild. It's like a little snake. Oh, wow. Hold on. We're still going up. Okay, sideways then up. No. That's crazy. Let's see. Let's look up a couple others. Let's see what we got. GBP. Oh, that one's an odd one. And expensive. Did I tell you how I tried to trade that one? Like a week or so ago?
GBP.
GBP JPY.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, that one was so expensive.
Yeah. Those pairs are always the, I guess, erotic pairs or whatever.
Yeah,
Those are always
erratic.
really expensive.
Look at that.
Exotic,
That's
yeah.
wild.
Erotic. What the hell?
I mean, if you want to get sensual with them,
Well, you see our chat
this is true.
what Dylan posted?
Oh yes.
Got my mind off. Got my mind all messed up.
That was hilarious. Oh man. I was just like, oh yeah, this is the one Melody said she was in. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. We might have to try this one sometime, Rhett.
Which one?
The NZD USD.
Ugh,
What?
I hate that pair.
Really?
Yeah,
Does it
it's
move?
expensive.
Like, is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
I didn't realize that.
yeah.
Huh. Well, the things you know.
Yeah.
Right. Let's see. I remember this one. We did that one a few times. USDCHF.
Oh yeah.
That was the one you called out the one day and you were like, "Hold." You got a good little bit from that one.
Yeah.
See?
Well, maybe it's not too expensive.
No?
A 0.2 lot is $428.
Oh, well, that's not bad. That's about what AUD and everything is.
Yeah. Hmm.
Zoom. Zoom. Not bad. Zoom. I think we'll switch back to USDCAD. That one looks gorgeous right now. Just look at it. It's trying to break that resistance. That's what it's trying to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we can do. We can work on a little bit of charting.
There you go.
Right? We haven't done that in a little bit. Let's zoom her out. Let's do the 1 hour. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. We're way down here. I don't even remember. Oh, look. That was the one night we did charting. Yep. That was a good night.
A good minute.
Right? That was, well, when was that? Whoops. Oh, February? January. Wow. Well then. Oh, the things you learn. Let's do the 1 day. There we go. At least we can see it on the 1 day chart. Ha ha. Oh man, if that breaks, that's a long way down, Rhett.
Yep.
Whew. That was, let's see. So we're on USDCAD, so the US dollar has to be super strong. That was, what was going on in the world in 2014? Yeah, that was all the way from 2014.
Obama.
Yeah.
That's just saying.
Oh, wait, so we're on CAD. I'm thinking AUD. So we're actually up. So for that to break, the US dollar is going to have to drop. Whew. That'll be a rough drop. That's crazy, though. Even with all that, it's just staying right there. Look at that, right?
Hell yeah.
That is nuts. So, the day chart really doesn't help us. Let's go back to the 1 hour. This is where we're at. All right. Let's get our handy dandy drawing tools. All right, let's see. Horizontal line. We're going to do that right there. And we're going to make that light purple. And there we go. And let's pick another one. Dun, 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 dun. Right about there. So it looks good, doesn't it, Rhett?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I'll be able to tell once I zoom in.
Yeah, give or take a few pips, but
yeah,
not gonna get it perfect.
No. And then let's see here. Right about there. Yep. We want as many lines as possible touching. Oh, helps if I grab my other line.
And you can trade within those ranges and make bank.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like last night, so we'll zoom in. So this was last night. All right, so this was this morning, right before the news hit.
Right.
So normally, without that news, it probably would have hit here, maybe, gone up like a little bit right here, and then it probably would have fell. But of course, news, and it went,
and then no one would have known that without Vision being an extra confirmation.
Exactly.
Turn Vision on real quick.
All right, hold on.
Is this on the okay, 1 hour?
Yeah.
So it's probably already done a bull signal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And I think, let me see here. Yeah.
Ooh, man.
So, those ranges are pretty on the money.
Is that a little cup I see?
I was actually wondering that too. I was wondering if that was a cup and handle. Because I'm like,
oh, man.
Right? Like, I was looking at that earlier and I was like,
That could be very bad for me right now.
Yeah. I mean, technically, it's already, it formed the handle and it already went up. So, right now, it's at that breaking point of if it's going to keep going or if it'll fall.
Man,
because
I hope it falls.
Let's see, let's turn that off real quick. It looks like the next spot would be right about there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me grab another line. Yeah, right about there. That looks about right. Yeah. Ooh, let's turn the auto fib on too. Oh, I might have to turn it off reverse. Oh, there we go. Haha. Oh, look. That gray line lines right up with it.
Oh, God. It is right at the breaking point.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Let's zoom in some more. Yeah, right there. It is right on that. Let's see. Yeah, 121.
I guess we'll know tonight if it's right there. Like,
Yeah.
oh well, I'm gonna ride it out.
Oh, I know. We do every time. We're pros in the
Yeah.
mud.
AUD, my trade went back to 175.
Oh, yeah?
So it's it's going down still. That's not a good sign.
No. Not at all. That's crazy, though. That lines up right with it.
And if you're just doing basic charting and that news came out, you would have never known.
No.
But with Vision, it told you to stay in the bull.
Yeah. Like it gave the bull signal.
Oh yeah, way down there.
Yeah. Like long before the news hit.
Yeah. Was that 6 hours before the news hit?
Yeah, it was at 1 a.m.
Yeah.
So, and then I think AUD was the same way. It said stay in a bear.
Yeah, it did. But I thought it was going to reverse because it always does.
You know, I honestly thought it would too. And, like, I noticed that it was going towards the 200 range. And I was like, oh, okay, well, it's going to do what it did, the night before. And then it stayed in that range until this morning, and it actually had popped back up.
Yeah.
And then it just completely died. Who's that?
It's. Oh, he left. No, he didn't. He's.
Oh, okay.
Starts with a V, I think.
Yeah, I was honestly surprised at just, I mean, I know I shouldn't be anymore. Like we've been through so much news, it ain't even funny. Let's see what we're looking like on the 15. Ooh, red, you are right on it.
What?
If it breaks that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I hate being right.
Yeah. And then the next one after the 15 is right there. Let's change the color. Horizontal line. Right there. We'll do pick a color, red. Pick a color.
Blue.
All right, light blue, dark blue,
Light blue.
light.
That one. Up, over, over. That one.
That's like a teal.
Well, whatever. Blue family.
Okay. Yeah,
Kind of.
so that's 121, 423 ish. Phew. I mean, technically, this one right here. Let me go ahead and draw that one too. This one right here. Yep. That one would be first. But that one looks like a minor. So 121, 354.
Oh, man.
I know. Like, that's definitely gonna get interesting. I don't like it. Well, we know at least that if it does, break above here, it's likely that it'll go up to that area.
And I'm sure that the dollar isn't going to be strong just for one day and then crash. So
Yeah, I mean, usually, I know with the inflation news, it lasted a couple days, and then it's like all the hype kind of flees, and then
yeah,
everybody calms down.
Lymphoma, other cancers, nervous system, and
What is that? But yeah. Oh, is Stormy on here with us?
I have so many questions.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Go for it.
Okay, I have been reading
Mm-hmm.
the IG, going through the course, trying to learn.
Okay.
And are you guys shorting that?
This one, no. This is USDCAD. Right now, it's going up.
Okay.
Like,
And y'all are wanting it to go up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, technically, I mean, if you're in AUD right now, you don't. Rhett would really appreciate it if this just suddenly died.
Okay.
So right now, USD CAD is going up because the US dollar at the moment is stronger.
Odd.
Yeah. News came out early this morning, basically saying, hey, the US dollar is stronger, everything is great, we're having a good old time.
That's a lie.
Right?
Okay.
Somebody should really tell them that. And so when USD CAD goes up, AUD USD goes down.
Oh, so they're going against each other.
Right, they're opposite.
Okay.
And I'll actually pull that one up. Like right earlier, it wasn't really doing anything. Like right now, it's not really doing anything, but going kind of sideways.
Yeah.
But yeah, this was at 5-6 o'clock this morning. It just suddenly died all day.
So if you had like 0.01 in that and it dropped that far.
Let's see. If you got in, let's say you got in right here at 354. So let me write that down. 354.
Yeah.
And then here, I'll actually mark it with a little thing. Boop. Or 357 for the sake of things. And then you wrote it all the way to the bottom here, which we'll say that was 468. So that is going to be, now each 200, 300, that's 10 pips.
Right.
So automatically you are at, we'll just round up, 30, let's see, that would be 35, 36 pips. Because the 300 to 700, that's 30 pips. And then you add 57, well, that would be, we'll just round up to 60. So that's 6 pips. So basically you're just taking away a 0 from the number.
Okay.
So
You know, a 0.01 lot would be like 60 cents.
Yeah, well, per pip.
Because 0.01 is 10 cents a pip, right?
Yeah, 10 cents per pip.
Okay.
So right now, just going down to the 7,700 mark, that's 36 pips. So times 10 cents, that's $3.60.
Yeah.
Then if you went from the 77 mark all the way down to, let's say, the 450 mark, that's going to be 50. Yeah, that would be 55 pips on top of that. So plus 360. So that would be at just 0.01, that would be about $9.10.
How much does, like, if you put in 0.01,
0.01 is about, for AUD USD, that's about $23
that you're
that you're
trading?
that you're putting in.
Okay. Because 0.01 is like 1,000 units. Right.
If I remember right, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's right, because 0.1 is 10,000, and then one lot is the 100,000.
100,000.
So yeah, that's actually not bad.
What I'm trying to figure out, like, if you went with a, what is it, a mini lot? 0.1.
Yeah.
I still haven't found the conversion of what that would cost to buy that lot.
Let me pull it up. So.
Oh.
Let me pull it up here.
Because I'd hate to make a trade and it was like $800.
Right.
Yeah.
Let me pull it up on IG Forex. And
Are you using your phone or the computer, Stormy?
My phone.
Okay.
all right, there we go. Now it'll look a little bit different on the phone, but it'll be the same. It'll have the same layout.
Right.
So on the right side here, you see where it says sell, buy?
Yes.
And the size?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hold on. There we go. Had the wrong screen up. All right. Sell, buy. Okay. So the size here,
Uh-huh.
I'm going to change it from 1 to 0.01. So right here, right underneath it, I'm going to highlight it. It says you'll get 10 cents per pip at 1,000 notional. So that's the conversion.
Okay.
And then the the conversion from AUD, from the Australian dollar to the US dollar, it ends up being, for AUD, it's not, I think it's like, what, a couple cents, Rhett?
Yeah.
Yeah, for that one, it really doesn't, it's not as distinguishable as, say, USDCAD.
Okay.
So, like, let's pull up CAD here. And let's see. What's it doing right now? It's going down a little bit on a little bitty pullback. Ugh. I don't really want to get in CAD because
why you have that like if you're betting against it that it's going to go down, do you sell?
yes, if I'm saying okay, this is about to drop, then I would sell.
So it's like buying options, but you just sell instead of buying a put.
Exactly. And then it's just like when you want to get rid of it, if you're on a sell, you click buy.
You click what?
You click buy. So like here, I'll do an example. So I'm going to sell, we'll say one lot, or well, it's going up. So for the sake of things, I don't even care. I'm just going to buy. Then I'm going to place the trade. Well, you're always going to start out negative. And the reason why is because of the thing called the spread.
Right.
So this number right here is the current spread, 1.5. That means between the sell and the buy, there is that much difference. And so it says that I got in at 1.21241. So that means, since I got in on a buy, that the sell has to go over 21241 for me to start making money.
Okay.
And then whenever I want to sell it, I can click sell, or I can click my position and I can click close. Now in here, a little box will come up, basically verifying if you actually want to close it or not. On the phone, I have it set to where once you click close, it's gone. It's out of there. But let's see here. So we'll just go ahead and close that. Submit. And then let's say if I want to do a sell position, it's the exact same way. You place the trade, and then over here, it'll tell you, currently I'm down. And then you can also close from there, or you can come over here and click buy, and you want to make sure that it's the same number that you put in, unless you're trying to scale down.
Gotcha.
I know one day I did that.
This is like options, more simplified.
It really is. Like, I really enjoy Forex. It's an addiction, it really is. But I thank Rhett every day for getting me addicted to it. And so that just got rid of it.
It's something you can do like all day without worrying about settled cash.
Yeah.
And that's like the best part too. Is
no
the fact
PDT.
that there's no PDT. You don't have to worry about, if you got a cash account or a margin, or like Rhett said, the settlement times. None of that.
Right. I haven't funded the account yet. I am going to go through all of the education on it first.
Definitely do the education. IG Forex actually has a really good little education program. I actually use a lot of their information, and use the demo account that they have too.
Yeah.
Because I think I did a demo account for like the first month or two, just because I was like, okay, if I'm gonna do this, I want to do it right.
I still do a demo just to mess around with.
Yeah.
Figuring it out.
Yeah.
Is there a minimum on the amount as far as depositing?
For the real account, there's a $250, yeah.
Okay.
Which in reality isn't bad because when you think about it, I think that's you can get 0.1 lots.
Right.
0.1. Let's see. I'm going to sell. Well, this is USDCAD, but yeah. So that would be 200. Yeah, about $200.
Gotcha. My husband told me, he's like, girl, don't do it. I'm like, I'm not. I'm just looking.
That's how it
I
goes.
did.
That's how it starts.
I know.
It's like, I can't help it.
And his secretary quit, so I'm having to fill in for her until he finds a replacement. So I don't get to do a whole lot in the mornings.
Oh, no.
Oh,
I know.
So he's taken away from your trading time.
Exactly. That's why I have to pop in and out so much in the mornings.
You ought to have a talk with him.
I'm gonna have to put y'all on the line and y'all can scream at him.
Be like, look here, we need our Stormy. We need her to short the market for us.
Y'all, my puts turn green on WFC. No, AMC.
Oh, I bet they did.
They did. I'm like, yeah, I'm holding them.
I'm gonna have nightmares tonight about AMC.
Oh my gosh, Stormy, you missed that today. Oh,
What?
man.
What happened?
So, Rhett over here, he
Alright.
got AMC calls this morning
Yeah.
Yeah.
that,
Well, I got 4 of them in the beginning,
uh-huh.
and then as soon as I bought them, AMC tanked.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Well, I kind of want to blame Logan because he's like, "Oh man, I'm up 50. Oh, I'm up 60." So that's when I bought, and then it tanked.
Didn't
So,
they have to 60 though?
Yeah, huh?
Didn't the price go? Didn't they run it up again today?
They
Oh
did.
yeah, they did.
Thankfully.
Well, I got down to like negative $300-400.
Oh,
So
snap.
then I averaged down. I bought more contracts to average down.
That's when it
tanked
dropped
more.
again. Yeah.
I was down $2,000.
No.
I was
Yeah.
panicking.
And it shot up, and I actually got out with a $20 profit.
Yes. It
But
was
I
great.
had to look at negative $2,000 for like 5 hours.
I was panicking for him.
I would have been panicking for you.
The
And then
worst day of
Logan,
my life.
like, I want to get him on the live so I can, like, just, grr, because he didn't sell his calls.
What?
No,
He was green.
the whole time I was red, he was red with me, and I got out with profit, and he stayed in for some reason.
I'm gonna have a little chit chat with his wife.
Well, I stayed in because I have puts, so
Oh yeah,
And-
you're good.
they're through January 23.
Oh yeah, you're good.
I bought the same ones Dylan bought.
Yeah, I think he's gonna
Nice.
hold his for a long time too.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, eventually, the meme has to die.
The one day I buy Tesla call.
Is the day.
I should have. I never buy calls on Tesla. I always shorted. I made $35 and could have made $350.
The one day you went against your instincts.
I know. But yeah, this Forex, I'm going to continue studying. and doing the courses, and I want to do a demo account.
Honestly, that's what Brett and I both did, is we kind of just dove in with the demo account and went from there.
Yeah.
You might have to study it on the.
I will say what helps a lot is, and you're good about using other indicators too. RSI, it helps, but only so much. I mean,
What was the other one that you were talking about last night?
the stochastic.
Stochastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one's really good.
I just couldn't remember what it was.
Yeah, we like the Stoke. RSI, it works to a degree, but I mean, you know, when you have news that sends you, you know, sky high, you know,
Yeah.
RSI can stay red for quite a while. Like right in there. And then Rhett, you've been using MACD for a bit, haven't you?
Yeah, I love MACD.
Are you using it on IG or on TradingView?
Actually, both. I use it on IG and Weeble.
Oh, nice.
I don't use anything on TradingView except Vision.
Nice. Let me see.
I
here.
like the super trend on Weeble.
Yeah, the super trend on Weeble, it definitely helps to see, to have as a side-by-side comparison.
Yeah. Because a lot of times right before it hits on either super trend, on the RSI and with TradingView, it'll show the take profits and it's about to hit either way on the super trend.
Right.
So I kind of use those together.
Yeah, that's definitely a good way to do it.
Okay, my husband's screaming at me now. Y'all have been a big help. I'll see you guys in the morning, but yeah, I'm definitely doing the Forex.
Right on,
sure.
right on.
Definitely join our Forex family.
Hey, I will see you guys in the morning.
See you tomorrow, Stormy.
Good night.
Have a good night.
Let's move back over to TradingView. Back over to USDCAD. Look at that, Rhett. It's just riding that line.
Yep. Hopefully it dies.
You're like, please, just go away. There we go. This is the... Oh yeah, this is on the advanced. That's cool. Yeah, I think it's going to stay probably in this little range for a little bit. Probably until the London market wakes up.
Yeah.
And then that'll be interesting to see what happens. I mean, because last night, I mean, with the London market, it really didn't, it moved up a little bit. But it was our market that really set it off this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Because that 6 o'clock, you know, that's in our area. And then I think there's another market that opens like right after us. I should look all those up. And the time frames.
Huh.
What?
It's weird.
That
indicator you guys were talking about. I don't want to say the name of it.
Oh yeah. It's alright.
It's weird Weeble has that.
Not really. I mean,
You know what I mean?
it's just a simple one.
True.
That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I really think that the news will probably last a couple days. Unless, who was it? Rowdy Killer? Yeah, he posted that tomorrow is supposed to be a really busy day.
A really what day?
A really busy day in the market.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so at 3 a.m., CHF, their chairman speaks. NZD, their governor speaks. GBP, construction PMI news. EUR has retail sales news. G7 meetings across the board. 7 a.m. Europe has somebody's president speaks. The U.S. Powell speaks tomorrow. Yay! Such joy.
There goes my swings.
I know, right? 8:30. CAD has employment change, unemployment rate, and labor productivity. All comes out. So if they have bad news, then it might be. This might actually go down. Maybe. The U.S. has average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. So that could affect us tomorrow. And then 10 a.m. is the IVPMI for CAD. And then the USD also has factory order news. So tomorrow is an extremely busy day. So if we have bad unemployment, then the US dollar might drop. That would be good news for you, Rhett.
Yeah. That'd be damn good news.
You'd be like, yay, please. AUD rise. I'm surprised Dylan's not on here with us.
Yeah, him and Josh are probably talking top secret stuff.
Probably. I know, Callie called earlier.
Yeah, my phone was about dead, so I didn't answer.
You ought to be ashamed.
She alright?
They took her back into surgery.
Damn.
Yeah, she said that, she would talk to us, when she got out again, or, when she was feeling better, I was like, well, we'll be praying and rest up, because, that sounds extremely painful.
How bad are kidney stones anyway? Like,
Oh, I've never had them, but, You know, she's had C-sections. She said that it was worse than one of her C-sections where she was only partially numbed.
Wow.
I'm like, oh, well, that's pretty bad then.
Yeah.
So, no thank you in that regard. I should have told, like, if it hadn't have been as bad as right now, I should have told her to go get on a roller coaster. Because I've heard that roller coasters help with kidney stones.
Really?
Yeah, apparently the force, like if you're on a really fast roller coaster, the force behind it basically knocks it loose. And yeah.
Huh.
I'm like, well, I'll be riding roller coasters one day. But yeah. Oh, Stormy, you're so sweet. Go look at what Stormy said in the main chat.
Oh God. What'd she say? Aww.
I know. Makes me just want to cry.
Screenshot.
Right? That was sweet. I think that's what's like. I think that's what everybody's waiting for on Forex is for all the news to come out. It looks like USDCAD's pulling back a little bit.
Good, good.
It's got a long way to go.
It does.
All the way over there. You know. It's got a little bit. But I'm really curious to see what AMC will do tomorrow.
Man, I'll be glad when all this shit is over with.
You know, they're saying that they're gonna hit like BlackBerry or CCIV or something next.
Yeah, they're saying they're gonna hit a lot of those meme stocks.
Right? Like, I'm like, okay, which one are you gonna hit so I know?
Right.
I'm about calling right now for next year or whatever.
Right? That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna get in early so we know we'll be good.
Well, a lot of people just been buying weekly calls and been like making $3,000 to $4,000 profit just doing weekly swing trades on AMC.
I know, but that's just like, especially right now, that's, you know, whew.
Yeah, they're expensive as shit.
Well,
Yeah, no, they are.
It is a dangerous game to play.
Yeah. One tough rodeo.
Mm-hmm. No joke on that. I know I was looking at the options earlier today and I was just like, nope. Maybe if I sell a kidney.
Oh, shit.
Do you take donations? Spare change. Oh man, that one gets me every time.
Oh, man. Well, have you seen BlackBerry's options?
Yeah, did you see that it actually came in on the swing signals?
Yeah. Yeah, I looked at when I seen that, I looked at the options. I was like, nah.
Oh, well, that's okay. So I was looking, so the other day someone was like, hey, did y'all see Dillard's today? And I was like, why does that sound familiar? Well, apparently it showed up on the screener and in the options list. And I was like, oh, okay, so I saw it somewhere. And I went to look at it. And that day it had soared. So I went to look at the options, right?
Yeah.
Look. Do you know how far apart the spread was on those things? Like $300 to $400 between the two.
Wow.
Yes. I was just like, well, that's a negative. The last time I did a spread like that was on, what was it, Sundial?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's the one we all got into, and we all sold except, oh, what's his name?
Lieutenant Dan?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one. Like, I was impressed by ourselves that we got in that
Yeah.
one. Right before it took off like crazy.
Yeah.
And we all sold early. Except for Dan.
What?
He didn't sell early.
Yeah, I think I only got like $60. He got like $2,000.
I know, right? I think I got like 20, maybe 40.
Like, oh my God, we sold way too early.
And then he was just over here like, oh yeah, I got 2K. And I'm just like, really? No. It's all right. We made green. That's what matters. In the long run. It's like the turtle in the hare. Slow and steady wins the race. It's what I tell myself anyway.
That would be cool if they bumped up Sundial.
You know, I was reading, there was a couple posts recently about Sundial. So I wouldn't be surprised. And then, you know, they got the news going around about marijuana being potentially legalized officially.
Well, I think I'm going to start buying some calls.
Right? Like, I want to buy just one. Like, one cheapie.
January of 23, $7 calls, $46.
Oh, see, that's not bad at all. Now, look. We're not going to do like we did last time. When we say we're just going to buy one. And we all bought like 10 to 15 of them.
I am going to buy at least 5.
Well, that's not bad. Okay.
Or 10.
Look here. We just had a talk earlier today about this.
Fine, I'll buy 5, then keep on buying the dip.
No. What? Is it up right now? Or what?
It's a little up.
Oh, well, hold on. Why buy it while it's up then? Just wait until the dip.
What if it never dips?
Look here. It always dips.
FOMO.
It always dips.
I
Good Lord.
can't
Just look at that, though. It's barcoding on the 5. Barcodes, Rhett.
I love me some barcodes.
No, you do not.
Barcode means moon.
Barcodes does not mean moon. It means the opposite of moon. It means
It's about to take off.
government interference.
It's gearing up.
Actually, I wouldn't be surprised. Like, look at this. And weep. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. Just look at that, Rhett.
What am I looking at?
The entire chart.
I see USDCAD.
How do you see USDCAD?
I don't know.
Hold on.
Come on now.
Literally, how do you see USDCAD? Oh. Haven't switched it back over to TradingView.
Unbelievable. Unreal.
My bad.
Gonna have to edit that out for the video.
Nah, it's all good. Okay, now do you see Sundial?
Yeah, I see it.
Look at the chart, Rhett.
Look at it. It's about to take off again.
Oh, good Lord.
See, look. Draw a line from the top of that peak. Do a little charting for you.
Oh, yeah?
To where it's at right now. I'm going to show you a little trick.
You gonna show me a little trick?
Yep.
Oh, good Lord, Rhett. Hold on. Let's take a little look. I heard that.
What was that?
Sheesh.
Jeez.
Okay.
Yep.
What,
You see
Rhett?
the angle?
Oh, yes, I see the angle.
See the angle of that?
Uh-huh.
About to take off.
Actually,
45-degree angle.
technically, this line should have been right about her, and it already took off from there. Boom.
Look at that.
Boom.
You see how that looks like a bow and arrow?
Oh, good Lord, Rhett. I can't do it, you. I just can't deal with you. 5. Just don't buy them at the top, Rhett. Let's see here.
I'm telling you.
What am I going to do with you?
It's about to take off. I feel it in my bones.
I am sure you do. Let's see. Let me pull this up here.
This again?
What, USDCAD?
Yeah.
Well, is there another Forex pair that's moving right now?
Let me look.
That's right. Go look. Get on the ball. Hey Hamid, is there anything in particular you'd like to look at, or right now I have USDCAD pulled up. I'm not trading it right now just because it's trading right here within this little range. Okay, that works. I think earlier, right before you got in on the live, that's when we put these purple lines up. We were just doing some minor charting just to see what we were looking at, where USDCAD was trading, and what we could possibly expect from it. Let's see. I think I'm on advanced right now. I think I was on intermediate earlier. Yeah. This was last night. I think, yeah, we were still in the live stream. Last night when this started its bull run and went all the way up there.
Oh, wow.
I know, right? Did you see that news that came out this morning, Dylan?
Dylan's not here.
Did he leave? I heard that. Over on mute. Mm-hmm.
He just likes to creep.
I know he does, little creeper. JK.
Creeping, just bored, and trading his life. Bye.
Well, thank you for that tidbit of knowledge. We greatly appreciate it.
How about that WFC? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, man. Look, I was so excited that it was up when I looked at it, like, early this morning. I was like, oh, yeah, it's doing great. And then it just died.
Yeah.
I was like, well, that's nice. Why not? Let's see. That was the one I drew last night, Rhett. Right there.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, right there's when Dylan told us to get in on the short.
Yeah.
If we would have just stayed in, look at that.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes Dylan's right.
Let's not give him a big head now.
I know. Working on it. We had some dojis, too. We had a doji right here. Right before that little spike earlier today.
Yeah.
And then we got one right there. And then that one. Not too many, surprisingly. Let's see. Let's hide my dojis. Yeah. That was a good little bull signal, though. Traded right into that trend. And then the bear.
Check out silver real quick.
Oh, is silver doing something?
It tanked a little bit, actually.
Really?
Silver, but which one is it? Hold on.
Wait, which silver? Like silver stock silver or what?
Silver, like, against the USD.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
That'd be that one. What the heck am I looking at? What is that, Rhett?
Oh, wait, it was gold.
Oh.
XAU.
Oh, okay. Apparently I have to look at it on this chart. Okay. XAU. I saw something about that earlier today.
Did you?
Yeah. Who posted it? I don't remember. Oh. It did tank. Well, I mean, it's pulling up a little bit right now, but yeah, that tanked.
It's on sale.
Let's see. Let's do... Yeah, there we go.
It had a Momo bull for like one candle, and then it just tanked.
Let's see, what time was that at? Let's see. Huh. I wonder what came out. That's crazy that they bought in like that enough to do that.
Yeah.
Hamid, usually there's a couple different ways that we choose our tickers or stocks. Like I use on the Discord, there is the day trading scanner. That one actually has been really helpful. Because I do options a lot, I use the option signals and the swing trading signals. And that one actually had a whole bunch come out today. Like, yeah, 3 of them. I don't know if you noticed that or not, Rhett. And then TradingView actually has a stock screener right down here at the very bottom that you can use. And let's see, you can change, what you want to look at. Like, I really don't use this one that much, but extended hours, performance, like how it did during the day, or over the month. Webull, if you use Webull, that one also has a stock screener, and you can actually make your own screener on there. I think I have one to find anything under $10 that the volume is rising, and like one other thing. Finviz.com, that's actually something really, really helpful that a lot of people use. Well, that makes more sense. But yeah. And then, what's that one live screener? Is it Stocks Rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah. On YouTube, there's a daily screener. That one's called Stocks Rocks. And that thing, to start out, it can be kind of confusing. But once you listen to it for a few days, it's actually really, really, whatchamacallit, it's pretty simple to figure out because it just calls out tickers that are moving. Let's see. I noticed, what else was, I saw news on something. Let me go back here. Let me pull that back up. Let me pull the news. What was it? Oh yeah, that's where I saw the gold. It was actually in the news article that we were looking at earlier.
Oh, okay.
The gold price forecast. Bullish breakout threatened ahead of US NFP.
Huh.
I know, I was like, oh, look at that. Monthly Forex seasonality. June 2021. Best month of year for AUD, CAD, and AMP, NZD. Interesting. Well, if this is the best month of the year for AUD, we got issues.
No kidding.
Look at that, Rhett. It's pulling back. Let me zoom in.
Good.
Look at that. There might be hope for you yet. It's got
I just need to die.
long way to go.
I went up $10.
Oh, there you go.
Only down 165 now.
Oh my gosh. That's bad.
Diamond hands. Diamond hands. Diamond hands.
I think that's actually in where it's hitting right now is like another little minor resistance area. Pull it over. Let's turn off vision so I can actually see. Right there. Super minor. Super minor. Do. Yeah, I wish we would have stayed in that short last night, Rhett.
Oh man, I would have been banking.
Oh my gosh, you would have been up so much money. Like, major money.
Don't.
Hamid, usually on the 5-minute, I personally like to use the intermediate setting on USDCAD or AUD USD, just because a lot of the time it'll ride through like choppy areas. Mm-hmm. And like this, let's see. Yeah. Like this is where, right here is where Dylan told us to get in last night on a short. Like right before we ended the live. And then we both ended up getting out and we got in this long. And everything looked great. It was going good. And then it just died because of the news of the US dollar going up. So why not? Just break our hearts. That's funny. That is funny, Rhett. Oh, I see Josh wrote us a message for everybody. That's good. I'll have to read it when we get off the live. Oh, look, Nightcrawler's gonna join us. Let me drag him in here. There we go.
Glad that's over. Oh no, that is just the first stage. Yes,
Who's that? Who is that? Hey, Nightcrawler.
Over. I see them coming. Over.
Yeah.
Greeting, everyone.
Rhett, can you mute him? Oh, okay. He exited. Hamid, I wasn't actually. I was asleep. I was actually green quite a good bit. And I was asleep when that bear signal hit, and I didn't have a stop loss. Thankfully, I was on my demo account, and because I was testing out a new little strategy I've been working on. And so, yeah, needless to say, that didn't go well. Now, Rhett over here, we need to work on it. We need to work on his taking profit when he sees it. Because he was awake. Didn't you say you went back to sleep though, Rhett?
Yeah, because I was like $8 in profit. I was like, sweet, I'm gonna wake up to like 50. Like, no, I woke up to like negative 110.
I would have cried. I would have been like, really? What is this? Yeah. If that had been on my real account, I definitely would have had a stop loss set. Just because, I prefer not to wake up to, negative $150 or anything.
Yeah.
We actually just started these last night, and we'll probably do them 2 or 3 times a week, depending on if Red or I are available. But we definitely have them recorded. We recorded last night's, and this one's recording now. And I post them to the Rhett and Ross YouTube. But yeah. Oh, Rhett. My son is teething again.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Like, I'm not even kidding you. That's why I ended up waking up late, because between the live ending late last night, me not getting to sleep until, like 1:30, and then my son, he ended up waking up like multiple times during the night, and he was so cranky. I was like, oh, poor boy. Night, Hamid. Yeah, he was just not having a good day, We had to give him Tylenol and everything.
That's crazy.
Oh, I know. He's a ham bone. In the chat. That's hilarious.
Man, this is pissing me off.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the links. I know if they open them, it works.
Yeah, but I don't want mine to say what it says.
I know. Like, mine said the same thing earlier, and I was just like, what the heck? So, but yeah, if you go to bit.ly.com or just type in bit.ly in Google, then it'll, there'll be one that pops up that'll be like shorten links here, and that's the one you want to go to. And you just take that link and then transfer it over there, shorten it, and then copy the new link.
Nice.
Yeah. I think that's what it is that maybe the old links just like not go bad per se, but like, I don't know, just need to be refreshed. That's a good word.
Got it.
Refreshed. Oh, Nightcrawler said he'll join us on his day off. That works. Yeah, how often do you want to do these, Rhett? Like,
oh, I don't care.
Okay.
Whatever.
Maybe 2 or 3 nights a week. I know we won't do it tomorrow night because, you know, Forex closes. Huh.
Yeah. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, we can do that. Bijou! I know. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put on the stream when Forex goes off tomorrow.
Doge.
Doge. I have Doge on there already. Remember, we have 2 streams now.
Oh, that's right.
I'll have to see if any of the cryptos are moving. I'd say Bitcoin, but Dylan's already doing Bitcoin. And Crypto Joe.
What else is there, pretty much?
Well, I mean, there's Doge, ETH, but I definitely want to find one that moves fairly well. Like, let me see here. Let's see. Crypto. Because those are the big ones. Bitcoin, ETH, Doge right now. BNB didn't look too bad. But I really don't see anybody talking about that one that much.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it's been talked about. I mean, if it's at $410 right now? $402?
Yeah.
So obviously it's popular, but I mean, shoot. I had never heard about it until I think it was yesterday. Somebody asked me about BNB with Vision, and I was like, oh yeah, let me look it up.
Oh, yeah.
I know XRP is popular. Now, I do know this one's popular. Matic. This one's Polygon. My husband does this one. Has a lot of tiny movements though.
I hate those.
Yeah. Like it's literally, well, because it's trading at what, like $1.68 right now? So, makes me wonder. I might do ETH and just put it on like a smaller time frame or something. Let's see. I don't know. Crypto's very sideways at the moment. Look at that. Blah.
Yeah, everything seems to be just
Blah.
just there, you know.
Like, what are they waiting on? Sheesh. What new? Look at that. What news are they waiting on? They're waiting for Powell to speak. How much you want to bet?
Oh God, I hope stuff goes up after his speech, not down.
Oh, I know. I think it's hilarious. Every time Logan's like, he makes the money printers go brr. I'm like, does he really? Because I don't know. But, yeah, I think we'll throw like ETH or something on there when we get a chance. See what we got. Nope, Forex. Oh, look, it's going back up. Jeesh. Wow. Look at that, right? It bounced right on that line. And then went bing.
Hell yeah.
That's USDCAD. That's not good news for you.
Damn it.
It was right. Like, look at that, right on the money. Shoop.
I'm about to flip out cash.
Don't flip out. What are you flipping out? Oh.
Because I redid my link.
It's still doing it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's
I'm about
something.
to shit.
Just tell him that the link works. It's a messenger thing right now. Oh, yeah, what you said, what you tagged me in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the hell?
We won't mention that on the live, but yeah, I'll respond in the chat momentarily.
Yeah.
So, you gotta think it's pretty late, and you don't have Forex isn't really doing anything at the moment.
Yeah.
But I mean, at least we, help Stormy out, learn some things.
Yeah, that was nice.
Learning some knowledge. So, if you want, we can go ahead and get off, and then I'll talk to you in the OG chat.
All
right. So, have a good night, and
yep.
We'll definitely be doing this again next week.
For sure.